Hi there, my name's Doreen, and I am just going to say a few words about my very new Amazon business that I have begun with the help of the guys from Amazon Product Launcher. Now, I'm right at that very exciting stage where I've ordered my first product and it's being prepared, ready to go to the Amazon warehouse in Australia. Now, I was lucky enough to come across a free trial program. So 2 weeks of absolute access to the AMZ program. And it was like opening a treasure box. There's so much information. It was so exciting and I was so motivated by it. So I decided to continue on with it. And if you ask why, at almost 75, I decided to start an Amazon business. Very simple. The age pension doesn't go very far. So the guys, if you can't find the information you need in the program, just ask. The guys, they're the best part of this whole program and of starting a business. Alexander and Ian have been, I can't tell you how grateful I am, how much I appreciate them, their generosity, their caring. They check in just to make sure you're going okay. And, when I try to think of how to do justice to how wonderful they've both been, I'm speechless. So at that point, I think it's time to stop. Speechless. There are two really stunning aspects to this program. And look, I guess I've covered it really, but they're the detail, the amazing content. The program it really is amazing. There is everything you could possibly need. And if you can't find it, then this is the second, or probably it's actually probably the first best thing about the program is the guys. You can just ask them anything that doesn't quite sit right, or you think you might have made a mistake, or you wish you knew a little bit more about this, but you can't find the detail, quickly. You might need it quickly, and they're always there to help you. It's it's the guys. Alexander, thank you. Ian, thank you. You are both amazing. And I'm utterly bowled over by how generous you are in the way that you share your knowledge, both of you. And it's just been such a pleasure to work with you. So yeah, but that's the program. It's a pleasure. So, of course, something that has given me so much pleasure and joy, really, um, that I took up because, like I said, the age pension doesn't go far. Um, my husband and I have lots of family responsibilities still at our age. And would I recommend this program? Absolutely. Just for all the reasons that I've mentioned briefly. Fabulous people, amazing content. And, they just make it fun. And it's not just fun, it's a lot of generosity, a lot of caring about you and making sure. So it's a real exchange of humanity. They want to make sure that you're doing well and they care that you're doing well. And, that kind of generosity makes you care as well. It wasn't hard to care about them. And, I wish them all the amazing best in life that there is, because they are really good people. And, anybody who decides to do this program is is fortunate that they've found it. So there you go. My recommendation comes highly.